I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master. Go to QuantrixAuthority.com to learn more.
Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. I sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 339, Data Import Update Order. I have here a tremendous Quantrix model. This is actually just a sample from a tremendous Quantrix model that I have at my day job, where I have over 50, more like probably 70 different data import connections going out to SQL Server, Oracle databases, things on a data lake in the cloud, as well as matrices themselves. Tremendous model. Anyway, the other day I had a question of when I click this Update All button for updating all the data imports, I wanted to know in what order were the updates happening to my data import, because it's not quite visible to me in the interface of Quantrix. So I asked Quantrix Engineering, and they gave me the answer, and I want to share it with you. They stated that the matrices, or the data imports that update first, are the data imports that have dependencies. So, for example, this matrix is dependent upon another data import. So, because of that, the matrix that is its antecedent, if you will, is updated first, and then this matrix is updated after that, after its predecessor. So, first and foremost, it looks for dependencies and it updates those in the correct sequential order. And then after that, Quantrix Engineering stated that they update it based off of the order in which the data import was created. And that is not necessarily anything that is exposed to us within the data browser interface, but it is something that they can view on the back end of Quantrix and consider when they're doing their data import. So for review, data imports, updates all. How does it happen? It happens first, they look at dependencies and update the predecessors of dependencies first. And then they go to, in the order of the matrix create, or the data imports creation, or the matrices creation for that have data imports, it's then updated. And it is in that order that they update. I hope you find that helpful. If you have any questions about data import or anything in regards to Quantrix, I really do hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. It actually makes my day. Every day that I hear from somebody asking me a Quantrix question. So please make my day. You have that power. Ask me a Quantrix question. I would also hope that you'd join me for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez, because I absolutely love Quantrix, and I want to make you a Quantrix master.
Today's podcast is brought to you by QuantrixAuthority.com. I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master.